Okay, you're going to get a dark blue piece of paper. I want you to write your name and class code on the back with a crayon and then flip it over. You're going to get a light brown for the seafloor for the front part. Cut out a nice organic line and then just put a line of glue on the back. Now you can use the other side, flip it around, put a line of glue, and then tuck it. And we're going to be doing a lot of tucking to create overlapping. Then do a dark brown for further back on the seafloor, and then you tuck it right behind that light brown and cut off any edges that need to. Now we're going to do seaweed. Just cut out a nice organic seaweed shape. And then a line of glue at the bottom and tuck it in behind your seafloor. And you can use the scraps, a line of glue at the bottom, and tuck it in behind that seafloor. I'm going to use a different shade of green now. A line of glue at the bottom and tuck it behind. A line of glue at the bottom and tuck it behind. A line of glue at the bottom and tuck it behind. And last one, a line of glue at the bottom and tuck it behind. Now I've got lots of seaweed. I'm going to start doing some coral. Coral's fun because you can do any color you want. A line of glue at the bottom, and I'm just going to put it at the bottom of the page. And then I'm going to do another color of coral. Line of glue at the bottom and tuck it in behind. And one more piece of coral, and I'm going to put it right there, right behind that seaweed and that little bit of sand. And some coral back here. And some seaweed down in the corner. Just putting a line of glue at the bottom. Now it's time for your fish. I'm going to draw my fish just like I taught you how to do in first grade, with an oval, a triangle in the back, and two curved triangles on the side. Cut it out. The pencil side will be the back, because we don't want the pencil showing. But you do it in pencil so you can erase if you make a mistake. With crayons, you're going to decorate your fish. I'm going to put in just some spots, a face. I'm going to color in the fins orange. With fish, you can color it in just about any old way you want to. And then a line of glue, and I get to tuck it in wherever I want to make it look like it's swimming behind that seaweed. Now I'm going to do a much smaller fish, so I use a smaller square, draw it out, cut it out, decorate it with crayons, any old way you want. And then I'm going to tuck it behind that seaweed so it looks like it's swimming in between those little two pieces of seaweed there. Now I'm going to draw a dolphin. And again, using a pencil so I can erase any mistakes. I'm going to cut it out. And then I'll shade it with a crayon. Add the eye. Add some details. Glue it on there. And one more little fish down at the bottom of my ocean. I'll cut it out and then decorate it. And tuck it right behind that coral so it looks like it's swimming behind that coral. And then when you're all done, just glue down all those little edges of your seaweed.